Got some news that Arjun Kapoor is coming with his Maserati Levante. Let's see the magic. Oh. Hey guys, so I met one of my subscribers over here. Hi, what's your name? Atharva. Literally, he was waiting from 1 hour just to see a
McLaren 720S.
Yeah. How you felt the car?
It was amazing.
What all video you like on my channel?
Every video from the Plymouth Prowler.
Okay, you love the Plymouth Prowler?
Yeah.
Okay, if possible, you want the ride in that car?
Yeah.
You like that car?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll try something for you. Hey guys, we have actually got some news that Arjun Kapoor is coming with his Maserati Levante on this place. So the car is just not even 100 meters away from me. Let's see. Okay, so there is Arjun Kapoor in his car. Oh yeah, we've seen him. More crazy है ना अभी damn good. M5 with the headers is too loud, yeah, too loud. Last time we made the videos, the headers was not there, but now headers is also there in the car.
Which way? That way? Hey, bhai.